Shara Keshava Narayana, and CEO and co-founder Maxim Suryakov.
Hi, I have been a call center agent in the Philippines for the past 2 years.
And after using Sanas, it's been 45 days since I was last verbally abused on a call.
Good morning, everyone. Today, I'll be making 2 announcements. But first, a story. It's 4 a.m. Sitting in a loud call center floor with bright fluorescent lights buzzing overhead, Priya hears a beep in her headset. She takes a deep breath, answers the call. Thank you for calling customer support. My name is Jessica. How can I help you today? Priya says with a noticeable accent. After a brief silence, the caller responds, "Not again. I want to speak to someone in the US. Can you please transfer me?" A wave of unease washes over Priya, and yet she calmly responds back, "Sir, I can assist you with whatever issue you might have. Please tell me, how can I help?" Irritated, the caller snaps back, "I seriously doubt it. I can barely understand what you're saying. Please transfer me now." Such stories happen daily for millions of agents like Priya, eroding their confidence and contributing to the 50+% attrition rate that has plagued our industry today. And we've accepted these conversations as an inevitable part of running a large customer service operation. But what if it wasn't? What if there was a software out there that could give agents a choice in their voice? Imagine a world where such negative interactions never happened in the first place. This is the reality for over 30,000 agents who use Sanas every day. And now, we want to bring Sanas to the world. And this is how we're going to do so. First, following our success in India and the Philippines, Sanas is expanding to Latin America. Second, in appreciation of the BPO industry's support over the past 4 years, we are bringing noise cancellation to the entire industry, to the entire world, for free. And we're just getting started.
Hopefully what Max said sank in. United Providers, we've been humbled by the impact. It's not every day that you see a product that has a 17% lift in sales efficiency, a 43% improvement in conversion rates. In customer support use cases, we've seen a double-digit impact on both CSAT and NPS. Let that sink in. Double digits. It's not every day, but you hear such amazing numbers. We heard an agent say to their manager recently that she doesn't want to move to another program because that program does not have Sanas. This has never happened in history. Never. Guess how many times an agent, 30,000 agents who use Sanas today, have actually been asked to be transferred to somebody else? Zero. Zero. Let that sink in again. Our entire entourage is waiting for all of you at booth number 133. Please come in and hear the magic. And lastly, we are here today because of our customers. I would like you to hear about it directly from our customer. Please welcome on stage Janesh Patel and Joe DeLuca from Wyndham Hotels and Resorts, who experienced the transformative power of Sanas firsthand.
Joe and I want to congratulate Sanas on their remarkable achievement of humanizing every interaction and launching this new translation service. At the Wyndham Call Center, our team members handled tens of millions of calls on behalf of our 9,300 properties in 95 countries and loyalty calls from over 108 million plus Wyndham Reward members. We partnered with Sanas to empower our team members globally to use cutting-edge technology to interact seamlessly with guests from different regions, and it really does eliminate any communication barriers. From an agent's perspective, the ability to translate accents in real time and avoid questions about their origin allows them to stay focused on their key metrics, their key KPIs. It boosts their confidence, and most importantly, it provides and elevates their job satisfaction. With Sanas on, we experienced a 25% increase in our booking conversions in our call center. And for that, that's a big deal. Implementing Sanas is very straightforward. To tell you more, I'll pass it to my technology partner, Joe DeLuca.
Thank you, Dinesh. Implementing Sanas was incredibly easy. There's no hardware to install, it's just simply a desktop application, and then we were in business. And we ran an initial POC, the response from the agents was overwhelmingly positive, and then we rolled it out to the rest of the sector. So even though the option of having Sanas turned on is left to the agent, their preference is to keep it on for all conversations. It's their choice, no more abuse, or quality ad scores went up. We look at the ease of implementation across all the things that we do at Window, and with Sanas, it's an easy choice.
Thank you. Let's build a more understanding world together. Thank you, guys. Thank you.
Okay, now we are going to welcome the Sprinkler SVP of Global Digital Transformation, Paul Herman, and LG CNS CEO, Shin Boon Han. Welcome.